Hello everyone, let's continue our journey of learning how to code using Apple Swift Playground. As you can see, this maze is a little bit complicated than the previous ones, and our task is to find the shortest path to collect gem and toggle the switch. There are many different solutions, but only one has the shortest path. That means you need to walk the shortest distance and do the shortest actions. For example, if we go to the gem collected, turn left, and go to the other end of this island, and then turn left, then work 2 steps forward to toggle the switch, then we will need more steps, more actions. Then we just, after collecting the gem, continue to the portal jump, and then go to the green portal, and forward 2 more steps and toggle the switch. That will be much easier. Okay, so we need to move forward once, twice, and third time in order to collect gem. Then we move forward 2 more steps in order to use the portal jump, green portal jump, to the other side of the island. Then move forward twice in order to collect gem. Let's run faster to see if that works. Collect gem, and portal jump, other stage, and then toggle switch. No, we used the wrong command. Actually, we need to use toggle switch, not the move forward command. Okay, so let's just change this to toggle switch. Now, toggle switch. Let's do this again. Oh no, collect gems. Okay, now let's run this faster. Collect gem, go to the portal jump, and toggle switch. Done! Finally, this challenge is done and the shot is locked. So now let's continue to introduction to functions. So functions are a very important concept in mathematics as well as in coding. As you know, if you don't have solid foundation in mathematics, it is impossible for you to learn the programming, computer science, and those subjects really well. So you may be able to program to a certain level, but without knowledge of mathematics, it is impossible actually to program to a higher level and learn computer science to a higher level. So if you have this playground, then you can look around and read those descriptions to understand what does a function mean, how can we use that in the program. So now we just start coding. So we need turn right. Before we only have turn left. Then how can we make a turn right function? So turn right, actually it's just 3 times turn left. We turn left, then we're facing left. We turn left again, we're facing backwards. We turn left again, we are actually turning right. So now we need to figure out how to turn to the right using only the command you have used before. Use composition to turn your character to the right when needed. Enter the command to collect the gem. Okay, we need to collect gem, or we need to turn right instead of turn left. As you can see at the bottom stair, we need to turn right. So let's do a function and turn right. So we don't need to do function now, but we just need to know how to turn right. So we need to move forward once, twice, and third time. Then we need to turn right. Actually, turn right is turn left 3 times. Then we need to move forward 1, 2, and 3. Then we can collect gems. Let's see if this works. Run faster. Okay. So turn 3 times left, then we turn right. Then we collect gems. Voila! We are here. Okay. So we go to the next page, which is creating a new function. We need to define a function, and the necessary syntax has already been written for you. So we need to use the keyword func to represent the definition of a function, and then you can name your function by using the relative description and the camel case naming system. As you can see, turn right with the turn, all lowercase, and the right with the first letter uppercase. That is called a camel case writing system. So if you're using this turn right as your function name, then later on you can call that function and then use it to turn right. Okay, so we need to select inside the function body and actually within the curly bracket, which is a syntax as well. Enter turn left command, and then beneath the function, use existing command along turn right to toggle open the closed switch. So as you can see, we need to turn right. Turn right, we know, understand, is 3 times turn left. Okay? So now we have already defined turn right. Now we just need to use it in order to toggle all the switches inside our program. Okay? So we need to actually toggle the closed switch, which means we need to go to the other direction. So the shorter path will be using the portal jump actually. So let's do this, moving forward once, then we need to turn left actually, then move forward once, we now need to turn right, then we move forward once, we now stepping on the on switch, we don't need to toggle it, but we do need to turn right once. And then we need to move forward once, then we will be transported to the portal jump other side of this island. Then we need to turn right in order to facing the correct direction. So we need to move forward once, and then we need to turn left, then move forward once, then we need to toggle switch. Let's see if this works. Okay. So now we turn So turn right. Okay. Yay! We just built the first function. That means we have successfully used the turn right function, which was a composition of turn left in our program, and also used the finding shortest path to toggle the closed switch. So that is good. Let's do one more challenge, and then we finish today's review. And this challenge is define a function for a repeating pattern. It is actually this is most used in defining a function, because we need to repeatedly do a set of comments. So we use function instead of repeatedly writing those simple comments. In this challenge, there are several gems to collect, and each gem is located next to a switch, as you can see. And instead of repeating the same pattern of command used in the previous puzzle, you can write a function that you used in previous puzzles. You can write a new function that's including the existing command to handle each gem and the switch pair. Okay, so which that is good. So you can name your function anything you like. So I named already gem switch. So define your function, call it, enter its name. It's like just like you've done for functions I used. As you can see, the character is facing this direction. Therefore, we start from moving forward, select gem, then moving forward, then toggle switch. Okay, then we need to move forward in order to reach the end of this straightforward path. So moving forward again. And also, at this point, we do need to turn left in order to get ready to face the other direction. Okay, so now we can just call this function gem switch several times. So 1 time, and 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. Okay, now let's see how does this work. Okay, so collect gem, toggle switch. Okay, collect gem, toggle switch. Okay, so this is something that we cannot, we have made a mistake actually. So because this path is different from the first one, so after the switch, you move forward, then in the previous one you do need to turn, but this one you don't need to turn. So that is something different. How can we solve this problem? Remember, there will always be something wrong happened in your initial try when you do coding, but you can always adjust, debug to see what can you do. The point here is to remove this turn left actually. Okay, so now we use this only to finish as the toggle switch, then moving forward. After the first step, first gem switch function, calling the first gem switch function, we can use actually move forward, turn left. Now we use turn left. Then we call the gem switch. Okay, then we call gem switch, and then after that, we need to move forward again. Then we turn left. Then we toggle switch. Then at the end of the third jam switch, we can see we already reached the end of the path. We can just turn left. Then we call another jam switch. Then we can finish this set of comments. So let's see if this works. Switch, turn, yes. Back jam, toggle switch. Then move forward twice, yes. Back jam, toggle switch. Then move forward. Back jam, toggle switch. Then finish. Okay, so that is how this problem is solved. I hope you understand how to do this kind of a challenge and practicing your coding logic practice without doing the actual program writing. Regardless of syntax only play a tiny role in this program. So they help you to understand the logic, focus on the logic rather than the syntax and all those spellings, all those very tedious things. So I hope you enjoy